Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a beauty tool that's designed to bring professional level skincare right to your home, the NuFACE Mini Plus Microcurrent Facial Device Kit. This device promises to tone, lift, and tighten your skin using microcurrent technology, and it's even FDA-cleared for safety. So let's break it down and see if it really delivers on its claims. The NuFACE Mini Plus is a portable, compact device that's designed for at-home use to help sculpt and tone the face and neck. It uses low-level electrical currents to stimulate facial muscles, mimicking the effects of a professional facial. The kit includes the Mini Plus device, along with two key activators, the Microcurrent Gel Activator and the Silk Creme, which are meant to enhance the microcurrent treatment and provide added skincare benefits. The device itself is sleek and portable, making it easy to take with you on the go. It's powered by the NuFACE Smart app, which offers step-by-step guided treatments and tracks your progress with a selfie tracker. The app makes it super easy to follow along and stay consistent with your treatments, which is key when you're aiming for lasting results. The Microcurrent Gel Activator uses IonPlex technology, delivering a precise concentration of ions and glacial water that helps conduct the microcurrent deeper into the skin. It's designed to hydrate and prepare your skin for the treatment. The Silk Creme, on the other hand, focuses on firming and brightening the skin while adding anti-aging benefits. Both products work together to ensure the best possible results. Now let's talk about the real-world experience. Using the NuFACE Mini Plus is surprisingly easy, and the device feels very comfortable in your hand. The microcurrent treatment is gentle, and although it might feel a bit odd at first, you can feel a slight tingle on your skin. It's not painful. I've been using the device in my morning or evening routine, and it's as simple as applying the gel activator, gliding the device across your face and neck for about 5 minutes, and following the app's instructions. It's quick and easy to incorporate into a busy schedule, which is one of the reasons this device stands out. As for results, the claims about lifting and tightening are pretty accurate. After consistent use, I noticed a subtle improvement in the contour of my face, especially around my jawline and the area under my cheeks. My skin also felt firmer, and fine lines, especially around my forehead, looked smoother. The effects aren't as dramatic as what you'd get with in-office treatments, but there's definitely a visible difference. It's ideal for those looking for a gentle, non-invasive way to maintain skin firmness and prevent sagging. Let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, the NuFACE Mini Plus is an easy-to-use, non-invasive way to tighten and lift the skin at home. The app's guidance is a huge bonus, and the device itself is small and travel-friendly, which means you can take your treatments anywhere. It's also great for targeting specific areas like the jawline and forehead, where many people start noticing aging signs. However, the device is a bit pricey compared to other at-home devices. While the results are noticeable, they're not as dramatic as a professional treatment, so some might question the value depending on their expectations. Plus, it's an ongoing investment, as the gel activators need to be replaced periodically. In terms of value for money, I would say it's justified if you're someone who's serious about skincare and doesn't mind making an investment in a high-quality, portable device. However, if you're looking for something more affordable with similar results, you might want to explore some other microcurrent devices that are available at a lower price point. That being said, the added benefits of the NuFACE Smart app and the quality of the product make it a solid choice for those willing to invest in their skincare routine. The build quality of the device feels premium, and it's definitely sturdy. The packaging is sleek, and the design is ergonomic, making it comfortable to use. As for longevity, the device is built to last, and I'd expect it to hold up over time with proper care. Just be mindful that you'll need to continue purchasing the activator gels, which can add to the overall cost. Customer service with NuFACE is generally well regarded. They offer online support, and they have a good reputation for handling customer inquiries quickly and efficiently. As for product alternatives, there are some other microcurrent devices out there, like the Zeep Beauty device or the Foreo Bear, which may be worth considering if you're looking for a different price range or set of features. The performance is fairly similar, but NuFACE stands out with its compact design and the helpful app integration. To sum it up, the NuFACE Mini Plus Microcurrent Facial Device Kit is a solid choice for anyone looking to enhance their skincare routine with a portable, easy-to-use device that provides noticeable long-term results. It's particularly great for those dealing with sagging skin or fine lines and want a non-invasive, at-home solution. While it's on the pricier side, the quality and effectiveness justify the investment, especially if you're committed to maintaining youthful skin. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this one. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you've used the NuFACE Mini Plus, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Thanks for being part of Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.